Introducing the Orion Cobalt CBW104D, a 10-inch subwoofer built for clean, punchy bass and reliable performance in a compact design. With 300 watts RMS and 1200 watts peak power, it delivers deep, controlled bass that brings your music to life. Powerful, clean, and dependable. At the heart of the CBW104D is a UV-coated paper and fiber blend cone, engineered for lightweight strength and fast response. Around the edge, a high-compression foam surround ensures clean excursion, and it's finished with signature blue stitching, adding durability and a subtle custom look. Installation is fast and secure with dual push-to-connect terminals, giving you easy wiring and solid connectivity in any configuration. Driving its performance is a 40-ounce ferrite magnet, delivering consistent motor strength and accurate cone control for every hit. Inside, a 2-inch dual 4-ohm voice coil offers wiring flexibility for multiple sub setups or matching amplifier loads. The sub is housed in a stamped steel basket, strong and stylish with the Orion logo molded into the frame. Integrated air vents around the basket help dissipate heat, improving reliability and keeping the sub running cool under pressure. With a sensitivity of 85 decibels and a frequency range of 20 Hz to 300 Hz, the CBW104D produces deep, well-defined bass that blends seamlessly into your system, and with a 4.57-inch mounting depth and 9.69-inch cutout diameter, it's a perfect fit for sealed or ported enclosures, even in tighter builds. The CBW104D combines smart design, signature style, and Orion bass performance, all packed into one clean, efficient subwoofer. Orion high-performance car audio.